where some known criminals have gone and demolished the office of the area MCA, where the ward admin sits, and they have destroyed properties. For the criminals who were arrested by the public and presented before the police, later on, I'm told they were released. I want to urge our security operators, instead of you being busy arranging on how to raid my residence, to plant illegal weapons, kindly, can you deal with the insecurity which is on the rise in KISII? Yesterday night, I'm told there are people again killed a young man in Kenya, whereas the criminals who were arrested with the blood-stained motorbikes, these people were released yesterday night. We want to send a strong warning. If the police, they are not going to protect the lives of our people, protect properties, we will ask the common mwananchi to protect himself against any form of criminal activities in the county. Before we do that, I want to urge the security operators, starting with the senior most, kindly do what the law requires of you. Kindly protect the lives of the people. Protect properties, both private and government. Even if you were to hate me, I still remains the governor of KISII. For the 5 years that I've been given the mandate, and God willing, the other 5 years after being elected, I will continue serving my people. We want to ask the national government, because you have closed your ears and eyes, we will result into protecting ourselves as our people. Abantu wa mintu da nga ekiere serikali ekorekana teli korora teli gotegerera ni nchemba etinete ndege temba tebinga ninde tayari kubulya abananchi bayirinde bokamanyana ngenjo tiyo ekonyalekana properties chikogendera osalika amagima kagosira abaskali baligererete. We are saying enough is enough, and we will give a direction tomorrow. If the perpetrators of the India's Act at Keroka, they cannot be arrested, we are giving a direction tomorrow at the stadium. And nobody will like it. Because if you've been given a responsibility and you're not committed to executing that responsibility, we will help you to do it. We want to urge our brothers and sisters who are in the security sectors, act now. Arrest all the criminals who are involved in crime in KISII. Is either you are behind them or you are the one sponsoring them. Kwa hivyo wananchi mkae chonjo, mimi nitapeana direction kesho ni nini tunafaa kufanya kwa masuala ya security in our county. Teko nyarekana umonta akabwatu igoro oite to monto abantu bepigipigi alikenyenya arafa baskali naende bakamubwatu bachiete Keroka bakabuna obisiemu MCA bagakora abantu bakabwatu bakairu police station maragoba bakabwatu abantu baitu be prepared. We are going to make sure KISII is safe from all these criminal gangs.